Ayos na. What are you having fun making videos?
Yep. Oh, there was a sale.
Why are you having fun making videos?
Because Person Voyager is my very best friend on kind.
Are you 9 years old?
Yep. And I am 10 in August 27.
What was the happy ending?
Happy ending.
What was the happy ending in your videos? And why are you making videos?
Because I don't know. I don't know why I am making videos.
How many likes do your videos have?
In my first video, have 13 views and 1 like.
Kahit hanggang kailan?
1 like?
Wait, 1 like in one like in my first video, but in other no likes.
Oh, so there's okay. So now, are you having fun making videos with everybody?
Are you having fun?
Yup, right, in 13 views and like.
So, do you like this turtle?
My pet turtle! Oh my gosh. Yep, it's my favorite pet. Hey, you're naughty. Oh, what's wrong?
How about this tiny turtle?
Oh, you're so cute. I like
Punta na tayo.
I don't know.
Why do you like the turtles?
Because they are beautiful and they are lovely. And this is your son. Thank you. Wow.
That's her mommy.
Ow. Ow. Ew. Ow. Ew. Ow. 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 Ow.
Give me that.
Ow. Ow. Ew. Ew. Ow.
So,
Toy.
do you love puppies?
Oh, so cute. Yep. I like my dog Jewel and I like my dog Jewel and I forgot. Dexter.
Dito tayo. Pwede yan.
The mom
Lahat.
his mommy is Jewel and
Pwede kainin to.
Sabi niya.
Ah?
her
Sabi niya.
son
Willing
is
na. Para may kainin. Tapos pagdating
she
dito,
have
ay,
3.
padala na nga lang natin ito kila mama. Kung di makaon.
Okay. Okay, so today we're gonna talk with the maker of the person boy girl and I mean Faith, her
Ano ba?
so
Ano ba?
so let's have a chat with her. Okay.
What?
Oh, that's enough. No playing time. Turtle like. Hello, everybody. Look the person boy girl. Where's person boy girl? Is in my profile. And next time we have a real story. That sorry. And
Oh, basta sulat pa sulat ka kung masulatan mo important.
real story. Where do I found person boy girl? Watch. And we will make videos.
Ilang yun na i-throw mo sa
And
basuhan ito.
ah,
Huwag pati yung baso.
this is person boy girl, and we will make videos in where do I found person boy girl, a true story, and watch it. If you watch it, the true story. The turtle is quiet. Do not call him on. Okay. We will make videos next time. And my first video have 13 views, but I don't know how many likes and how many views to the other video. And into my last video and another video, there are no views. And another will view it, and there were views. And say goodbye to me.
Ano kung ka dito eh?
Sit. No. Okay. Oh my.
Are you good at videos?
Yep.
When is your birthday?
August 27, 2010.
So, do you like making videos every time?
Maybe.
Siguro.
Why is your answer maybe?
Meron din kasama din
Because
yung TikTok mo lang.
maybe I make videos.
So, are you gonna make a lot of videos?
Hindi tulad nung, di ba yung binibili ko?
Yep.
Yung binibili ko yung pahaba lang. Di ba $3 din yun?
Yep.
So, thank you. And
Please subscribe down below. Comment, like us. Goodbye. Okay. I'm tired to say. It's funny. Okay. I'm tired. Say. I'm tired. Wait.
okay, so thanks for watching STA News. So thanks for watching. So thanks for watching STA News, and please subscribe down below so you can watch all the STA news we're making today. So thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Watch my video.